tayong excited products in line na i-launch ngayon. Ito soft launch pa lang yata kami ngayon. It's a soft launch. So, dito pa lang namin na ilo-launch sa Webfex. Yan. Yan. Meron tayong kasama dito si gwapong si Totoy Vivo. Ay, hindi pala. Si Butch.
Pinakagwapo natin sa technical.
Yan, ating technical. Let's start ano. Ayan. Say hi naman to everyone.
Hello po everyone. I'm Butch Casil, RD specialist ng Mixed.com.
Ayan, R&D.
You can call me Ray. P-R-E-Y. Ray. Ray.
Okay, anyway, so we have the list of our product. Unahin na natin yung ating frozen dessert. Ano bang meron tayo sa frozen dessert?
Sa frozen dessert natin, we use soy powder as alternative for milk po.
Ayan, yung frozen dessert natin, actually it comes with the chocolate and vanilla flavor. Ayan, so ilalagay mo siya sa ating ice cream machine dyan. Lalagay nyo lang dyan for how much is this one? It's 180 something. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's 185. Ayan, it's a plant-based actually, so it's a guilt-free. It's a guilt-free product na pwede nating i-offer sa ating mga restaurants, canteen, caterers. Yan ang mga ating pwedeng bigyan ng sample or yan ang magiging ating edge sa iba. Meron tayong guilt-free dessert and also drinks. Ayan. So yeah, yung ating frozen dessert, it comes with
Chocolate and vanilla po.
chocolate and vanilla. Ano po ba mga ingredients nito?
Same po sila. Ang alternative na ginamit for vanilla, soy instead of milk, animal-based.
Yes.
So we use soy powder. And for the chocolate po, we use soy powder and milk.
Nice. Ayan. So, punta naman tayo sa isang product line natin, which is, syempre, lahat ng Filipino, even a student, even magkaroon ng mid-class or meron mga mid-age yan. From a teenager to, syempre, senior citizen yan, hindi pwedeng mag-umpisa ang ating umaga kung walang kape. Ayan. Syempre, yung kape natin dito, it's a guilt-free coffee also. Ano ba ang ano na to? Consist na to?
For the plant-based coffee drink, typical chocolate drink, but instead of using a commercial milk or the animal-based plastic milk, we use a oat powder or oat milk.
So nowadays kasi yung ating oat milk, really honest, ang isang 1 liter of oat milk, if I'm not mistaken, mga 130 something to 150 a liter. Pero dito kasi, it's already mixed up with the pre-mixed powder ng coffee. So ilalagay mo na lang siya sa, ang tawag doon, coffee filter ba yun? Ang tawag doon? Yung lagyan sa hotel. Tapos pwede tayo dito, yung dispenser, ilalagay mo na siya dito and pwede na siya inumin. Yan, ready to drink na siya in hot and cold. So yan nga pala, yan. So we need to taste test. So everyone, it's a free to taste here. Yung ating coffee mix, no? And then yung ating ice cream frozen dessert on our left. Ayan, someone will assist me to para yeah. Super, yeah, oo. Paano tayo? Masarap. Guilt-free pa. So everyone, kuha lang po kayo ng ating plant-based frozen dessert on the left. So let's see kung pwede mag-assist para mabigay. Oo, taste kayo, tigit kayo. Pasado sa akin.
Thank you, I love you.
Ayan. So anyway, we have also a lot of products, no? So we have
Waffle mixes, potato mixes,
finally.
chiffon, chocolate cake mixes, fudgy brownie, butterscotch, and a lot of bakery products.
ayan. Sige, pwede na tayong ano. So yung mga gustong mag-try, no? Kaya our sales representative are there to assist you guys para sa inyong mga needs. So everyone, it's a free plant-based ice cream. On our left, kuha lang po kayo. Guilt-free yan. Hindi kayo tataba.
Sugar free. Sugar free.
Yeah, it's a healthy one. Ayan. So gluten-free. Animal fat-free. Come and place yung ating coffee din. Yung ating coffee, it's a oat milk coffee. So plant-based din po siya. Everyone, you can try on our left, you can try our coffee mix and ating frozen dessert on our left.